I know you're excited. Your solar system was just turned on. You're ready to turn the system on, produce power, send energy back to the grid, but whoa, pump the brakes. We're not there yet. We're about 75% there, and you're probably wondering what the next steps are. Before you can use your new solar panels, the county needs to inspect it and approve it first. Your local utility company may do a preliminary inspection. Once the installation is approved, the electric company will come out and swap the meter in their system so the grid registers that your house is producing and using solar energy. Before we can officially turn your system on, the utility company is going to provide both of us a PTO letter or a permission to operate letter. That is letting us know that we can officially turn your system on and that your solar is ready to be used. At EnLight Energy, we just want to make sure that you're happy with your new system. We're going to communicate with you on these last final steps. And if you haven't already, go ahead and download the EnLight Energy app so you can be up to date and communicate with us if you need to.